Okay, so we're going to do area of polygons today. So let me talk to you guys about kites and a rhombus. Now, a rhombus just has 4 congruent sides. And they're kind of kite shaped. And so what they look like is they have to be congruent sides. So there would be like this. They almost look like a square, but they're not actually a square. Okay. And so this side's congruent with this side, and this side's congruent with this side. But now, the formula for this is that there's 2 dimensions. There's the length from here to here, and we call these diagonals. So this would be like diagonal 1, and then there's the length from here to here. And this is like diagonal 2. So we call them diagonals because they're really the length from here to here and the length from here to here. Okay? But the area for this is equal to 1/2 the diagonal, 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Now for a kite, that's a rhombus. A kite is 2 pairs of congruent sides. So you can have something like this. And well, let me overemphasize. So we'll take it out to here. In other words, this we have 1 pair of congruent sides and then 2 pairs of congruent sides. And you could label this as diagonal 1, and you could label this as diagonal 2. So diagonal 1 is this length, and it doesn't matter which one's diagonal 1 and which one's diagonal 2. And then this length here, that's diagonal 2. Okay? Same thing, the area is equal to 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. And so that's the difference between a kite and a rhombus. But the way that you find the area is the same. So if I were to do example number 1, and I have and they tell me that from here to here, that is 8 meters. And then likewise from here to here, that is also 8 meters. Then to find the area of this thing, so 8 times 8 is 64. 64 divided by 2 would just be 32. Okay? And then there's another one that has a kite. So that's a rhombus, and then there's a part B where there's a kite. So in the kite, on the kite, they say that this is 7 and that this diagonal is 10. So from here to here is 10, and then from here to here is 7. So again, the area, that's the length of this diagonal is 10 and the length of this diagonal is 7, is 1/2 times 7 times 10. 7 times 10 is 70. 1/2 of 70 is 35. Okay? And that's it. So this would be meters squared. And this one was feet. So this would be feet squared. And that's it.